for today's video, I do have a really good haul for you guys. I went to Ross, Marshalls, and I did stop at Burlington Coat Factory today. I think I'm going to start off with the Marshalls first because I only have a few items from there, so let's get into it. So I did pick up a pack of underwear from Juicy Couture. These were $10.99 at Marshalls. And I just thought these were cute. Now, okay, I got a size large, but I don't know why they look like they run pretty small, but they do have something on the back. So it just says, where is my couture? I didn't look at all of these. Trapped in Couture. The queer wears Juicy. I'm like, why do these pennies say queer? Girl, that say queen. Lord help. Okay, let's run it back. The queen wears Juicy. I messed that all up, honey. Child, that was funny as hell. Okay, and this one, I cannot. Oh, and why now? They had one job to put these panties on. But whatever. So this is the front. So the next item that I have from Marshalls, this was $5.99. This is from a brand called Pink Sky. This is their Shine Shimmer Body Mist, and this has a light vanilla scent. I did spray this in the store and I didn't see too much of a shimmer, so I tried it again when I got home. I don't like the way it comes out. It's really like kind of watery, as you guys can see, but the shimmer is very faint. So I mean, it's $6 for a reason. I don't know if you guys can see any sparkle. It does smell like vanilla, but not like a strong vanilla. But when I tell you it's like a glitter particle here, one here, one here, it's not like a bunch. So yeah, this is, girl, I don't know who this is for. Okay, so I found this blush from MAC. This is in the color Raisin, and we all know Raisin is a popular blush color from MAC. I always wanted to try Raisin, and this is perfect, like right on time for fall. Look at that, so pretty. Ooh, Lord, about to drop it. Yeah, that's gonna be so pretty for falls. That wasn't a good swatch. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So yeah, I was able to find this color. I was shocked, honey. The last thing that I got from Marshalls, I found the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist, and I think I'm gonna try this tonight when I take off my makeup. They had two different sizes. They had two different sizes. They had the travel size, then they had this one. This one was $7.99. So I just went ahead and got the big one. So yeah, so I'm excited to try this when I take my makeup off. Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought it was gonna come out like a foam or something, but yeah. Ooh, that smells good. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Burlington Coat Factory, y'all. When I went to Burlington Coat Factory, they had tons of backpacks. It gotta be backpack season, so get you a backpack or start whipping out your backpacks, because I feel like the girls are finna be backpacking, okay? They finna get their Dora the Explorer on with the backpacks. I'm like, where are the handbags? It was backpacks galore. I was like, okay. I found, oh, girl, it just looks so good in the camera, but I found this Juicy Couture bag. Now I was gonna get the tan color one, but then I saw it in black. Y'all know I like my black. This was $27.99, and I wasn't aware this a zipper right here. That is so cute. So this is a zipper, so you have a pocket right here. Book bags are in this year, and I'm so excited. If this ain't screaming fall, I don't know what is. Hold on, y'all. Girl, look at all these pumpkins. I just thought this was so cute. Look at the bottom. Wow, look at the bottom part. I got it in a size large. I probably could have downsized, but I didn't see another size. And it does come with a scrunchie. So cute. This was $12.99, so not bad for a pajama set. So cute. I can't wait to try them on. So freaking cute. So I got that. Did pick up a cardigan. That's my main focus this year, to get some really cute cardigans. Maybe like, I got this one, and maybe I want like maybe 3 or 4 more, and then I definitely want to find some flannels that I can wear with a bunch of stuff. So I picked up this cardigan. This was $12.99. I wish it was $9.99 to be honest with you, but I do like the colors. Brown, cognac browns, all different browns are my favorite colors in the fall time. Definitely going to be wearing this with some jeans and some boots, and it does have a pocket, so it's super cute. Just a different shades of brown. And then last but not least, you guys, so let's move on to Ross. Y'all, I picked up an organizer. I did not need this. I really didn't. Thinking about putting makeup brushes in here. I kind of have a system of what I want to do with this, so I can change this whenever I get ready of like what I want to put in here. But did I need it? No. Find somewhere to put it. I'm gonna find somewhere. All right, I picked up the Baby Magic Almond Blossom Lotion. And I would have left this there because I didn't know it was $6.99. Child, I was like, oh. I thought it was like $3.99. Let me smell this. I have the Baby Magic body butter. I just can't remember what scent I have. I don't think I like that. So I picked up this Juicy Couture nightgown. Now I have this in pink. I did haul the pink one to you guys. So I seen this in black. This is $9.99. I got a large. I love the pink one. I wear the pink one all the time. That's like one of my favorites. So I definitely had to get the black for fall. Went ahead and got the black one, and this is the back. I got this shirt. This was $7.99. It's kind of giving bling Barbie, a little airbrush vibe, Y2K. So yeah, that's something cute to just throw on. Got this sweatshirt. This was $14.99, and it just says Barbie Malibu. And then I like that the sleeves says Barbie on here. So last but not least, I did pick up some wall decor. Chanel picture. It was $9.99. Now it's cute. I'm trying to think, do I want to keep it? I don't know. I'm trying to think, do I want to keep? I probably will. I really wish this was in white, and I'm gonna be pissed if I find it in white, but I couldn't pass up on it because it was $9.99. So if I find it in white, you know, I might be that crazy person and get it. So yeah, I got the Chanel symbol dripping. Got that drip going on. Like I said, it was $9.99. Last picture I got, this was $9.99 as well. It doesn't go with my room. Like, as you guys can see, my room is red, black, and some white in it. I do have some gold, little splash of gold here and there. So this can kind of play off my other picture I have on the wall, but it's still cute. It's giving that luxury vibe. This was a good find, especially for $9.99. I'm excited. Yeah, so I got those, but I really would like to have that other one in black and white to like that, just to make my day. So that's everything that I got, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Comment down below, thumbs up this video, and make sure you guys subscribe if you like what you see. If you guys are new here, if you're stopping by, that is fine as well. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.